Hello, I'm Varsha. Welcome to your little world of feminine style. Welcome to another episode of the Movie Fashion and Style series. You can find the link to the playlist for this series in the description box. Released in 1995, Rangeela was a major box office success and a breakthrough moment for the actress. The film marked a turning point in filmmaking by highlighting fashion as a distinct aspect of storytelling. While it embraced a glamorous aesthetic, it also introduced a sense of realness with smart casuals, making the fashion both relatable and impactful. The film features Urmila in fitted skater mini skirts and dresses, showcasing a departure from traditional Indian wear. In fact, the movie opens with Urmila wearing a skater dress filled with vibrant colors. The tangerine skater dress in the Tanha Tanha song became an instant hit. This movie embraces everyday casual outfits alongside more glamorous attire. Casual high-waisted jeans are often styled with t-shirts and shirts, creating a trendy look. Knotted denim shirts quickly became popular and appeared in wardrobes across the country. The shirts are typically knotted or tucked in with a knot to create a cropped effect. It is often paired with high-waisted pants and skater skirts. Crop tops paired with mini skirts became a major fashion statement. Many of these tops are white, creating an effortlessly casual vibe. White is accessible and can be a wardrobe staple for anyone. This style of white tops is timeless and compatible with outfits from any era. Big broad belts are styled with high-waisted denims on Urmila, adding to her casual looks. Broad belts are making a comeback in recent trends. Fashion trends tend to cycle, so it's important to find styles you love rather than just following trends. Speaking of trends, chokers are also featured prominently. Urmila sports broad chokers, whether in Indian or Western outfits. In terms of footwear, ankle-length boots are frequently paired with Western looks. They complement short skirts, dresses, and high-waisted shorts. Some outfits are completed with a hint of white or black socks peeking above the boots. The hairstyles from the 90s are my favorite aspect for their experimental, stylish and cute vibe, giving feminine looks to the fullest. The high-waisted pants and knotted denim shirts may appear slightly masculine, but the scarf tied around the ponytail adds a feminine touch to the overall look. Another timeless accessory is hoop earrings. Available in various sizes and metals, hoop earrings are styled with nearly every outfit. They are evergreen and can elevate any ensemble instantly. The signature makeup for Urmila in Rangeela features boldly lined smoky eyes. Makeup is one of my favorite parts when I was recreating looks based on these styles. Comment below if you would like a tutorial. Don't forget to check out the shorts section to see my lookbook inspired by these styles. Remember those school days? Braids are popular in many of Urmila's casual looks in this movie. Get inspired and start rocking braids again for a youthful appearance. Urmila's hairstyles in Rangeela showcase the versatility of fringes. This prominent element adds to her youthful charm. As her character evolves into a heroine, her look transforms into a more glamorous style, featuring voluminous hair with a fringe, complementing her vibrant outfits. In addition to the mentioned styles, there are many other fashionable looks in the film that are equally stylish. The goal is not just to recreate the outfits, but to draw inspiration from them and create our own unique combinations to surprise our styling. You can also add any of these styles to your shopping wish list. Be inspired to watch vintage movies. I hope you found plenty of inspiration from this video. Which style is your favorite from this movie? Comment below to let me know which movie you would like to see covered next in this series. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Your next destination is on the screen. Thank you for watching.